Introducing the enhanced RBL MoBank 2.0. A simpler and smarter way to bank with an easy-to-use interface. The RBL MoBank 2.0 lets you enjoy a smoother and faster banking experience. Now, do almost all your banking transactions through your smartphone. Bank on the go, anytime, anywhere. Book a fixed or recurring deposit. Avail a loan. Pay your utility and credit card bills. Invest your money. Do these and a lot more without visiting the branch. Experience the exciting features of the new and enhanced RBL MoBank 2.0. Download and get started. Visit Google Play Store on your Android phone or App Store on your iPhone. Search for RBL MoBank 2.0. Click on RBL MoBank 2.0 icon to install. To begin using RBL MoBank 2.0, click on RBL MoBank 2.0 icon. You need to register first. Click on Register. You have three options to register: with internet banking details, with debit card details, and with customer ID and PAN number. To register with internet banking details, enter your customer ID and internet banking password. Then click on Continue. If you choose to register with a debit card, enter your customer ID, debit card number and debit card PIN number. Then click on Continue. For registering with your customer ID and PAN number, enter your customer ID and PAN number. Then click on Continue. Enter the 6-digit MPIN of your choice in the field MPIN and confirm MPIN. You will then receive a one-time password or OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter this OTP and click on Verify. Click on the button to log in. Enter your MPIN and you are all set to enjoy your RBL MoBank 2.0 journey. Keep track of your account and transactions. Just click on Account Statement. Click on Filter to view your account transactions for a particular period and amount of your choice. To know about the details of the money received in your account, click on Credits. To check the amount sent from your account, click on Debits. You can also view quarterly account transaction details by clicking on Statement. To download your account statement, click on Download. You can even get your statements emailed to your registered email ID. Transfer funds anytime, anywhere with the Fund Transfer feature. To transfer funds to someone for the first time, you will need to add the recipient as a payee. To add a payee within RBL Bank, click on Within Bank, enter payee's details and click on Continue. To add a payee outside RBL Bank, click on Other Bank. Enter payee's details and click on Continue. Choose from the list of added payees to make a payment to RBL Bank payees or other bank payees. Choose the account from which you wish to pay, enter the description and amount, click Proceed to transfer and then click on Confirm. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number, then click on Verify. You will see a transaction successful message with all the details in the summary page. Schedule a regular transaction easily by clicking on Schedule Transfer in the Payments page of the Fund Transfer section. Select Payee, enter a date of transfer, transfer type, amount and mode of transfer, and then click on Proceed to Transfer button. You can view your scheduled transfers by clicking on Schedule Transfer. You can also modify or delete a payee. Just click on Modify or Delete Payee. Select from amongst the registered payee you wish to modify or delete and click on Delete Payee. To send or collect money through UPI, you can also use the Bheem option. Go to Bheem at RBL Bank UPI and create your VPA. To create your VPA, click on Add or Manage VPA. Once you have created your VPA, you can click on Send Money to make payments. Fill in the details and click Proceed to Send. You will see a transaction successful message with all the details in the summary page. To collect money, click on Collect Money, enter the receiver's VPA and other details and then click on Proceed to send. You can also approve a collection request. To approve a collection request, click on Request, then click Accept. Make your money work for you. Invest it by opening an RBL bank investment account. To open an investment account, log into net banking and click on Mutual Funds. Click on Bill Pay to pay your electricity, telephone, mobile and utility bills with your RBL MoBank 2.0. To add a biller, click on Add or Delete Biller, enter the biller's details and click on Continue. You will get a biller added confirmation message once the biller is added successfully. You can also delete a biller. To delete a biller, click on Add or Delete Biller. Select from amongst the registered biller you wish to delete and click on the Delete Biller button. You will get a biller deleted confirmation message once the biller is deleted successfully. To pay a bill, click on Registered Billers and select the biller you wish to pay. You will see the bill amount to be paid. Click on Pay. Enter the description OTP received on your registered mobile number and click on Confirm to complete the bill payment. Another way to pay is through Bharat Bill Payment System (BBPS). Click on Quick Bill Pay under the Bills of the Fund Transfer section. Then click on Click to Pay. Select the account from which you wish to pay and click on Submit. Enter the biller category, biller and other details. Select a mode of payment, amount to be paid, then click on Quick Pay. To recharge your mobile or DTH, click on Recharges. Select Mobile or DTH Recharge. Select your account, service provider, enter amount and click on Continue. Enter OTP received on your registered mobile number. Click on Recharge Now to complete a transaction. You can also pay through Bharat QR code. Click on Scan and Pay and scan the QR code on the bill. Choose the account from which you wish to pay. Click on Proceed and then click on Confirm. Pay your RBL bank credit card dues with utmost ease. Know how much you have spent with your credit card every month. View the unbilled transactions in the credit card details section. Switch on the Set Limit Control button to set a transaction limit for your credit card. Set your desired transaction limit and click on Confirm. Click on Book an FD or RD to book a fixed or recurring deposit account. Choose the type of deposit account you wish to open. If you choose to open a fixed deposit, enter the details required and click on Open Fixed Deposit. Confirm the details you have entered. You can modify it if you wish to by clicking on the Modify button or click on Confirm to confirm the opening of your fixed deposit account. Congratulations, you have opened your fixed deposit account. Click on OK in the success screen. Know how much you have saved to date. View all the fixed or recurring deposits you own till date in Deposit Details. You can close your fixed or recurring deposit account anytime. Select the fixed or recurring deposit you wish to close. Click on Close this deposit button. You will view the deposit details such as deposit to be closed, deposit value on that date, etc. Click on Close this deposit button. You will see a pop-up on the screen. If you're sure about closing your deposit account, click on Yes, close it. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP received and click on the Verify button. You have successfully closed your RBL bank deposit account. Click on Loans in the slider to apply for a loan and get an approval in minutes. Fill in the required details and click on Proceed. Verify your mobile number, then click on Apply. You can also know the status of the loan you have applied for and outstanding loan amount in the Loans section. View your loan summary in the Loan Summary section. Click the RBL icon on the bottom of the app to shop. Manage your debit card and transfer funds. Just click on Manage Debit Cards to block or unblock your card and its international usage. View your transaction open history and set transaction limit on your debit card quickly with RBL MoBank 2.0. Click on My Info and view or share your account information whenever you want. Use ChatPay to transfer funds instantly while chatting on your smartphone. Click on Shopping to shop from your favorite site or book tickets for a show. click on Favorites to easily recharge and pay your regular bills. Wish to avail a loan? Check your credit score. Click on Submit. Enter the details required on View My Credit Score page and click on Proceed. Go to the Personal Details page to update your Aadhaar card number along with other personal details like email ID on your RBL Mobank 2.0. Want to change your MPIN for safety reasons? Click on Change MPIN. Enter your old MPIN, new MPIN, then confirm the new MPIN and click on Submit. Click on Check Services to request a checkbook, view check status or stop payment of check through RBL Mobank 2.0. On select devices, you can turn on or off fingerprint access by clicking on Fingerprint Access. Click on Update GST and fill the required details to update your GST identification or registration number in your RBL bank account and then click on Proceed. In case you need any assistance, we are just a call away. Just click on the phone icon on the top right of the app and get a call back from our customer care representative. To customize the home menu, click on the Edit button on the home screen and arrange it as per your preference. After conducting your banking transactions, you can successfully log out of RBL Mobank 2.0 by clicking on the Logout icon on the top right. Don't forget to give your valuable feedback. Download RBL Mobank 2.0 today to explore the smarter way of banking.